Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my February Boxycharm unboxing, tutorial, demo, and all the good stuff. So if you've been here on my channel for a while, you know that I love doing these videos. I always love the challenge of working with whatever we get in the box and creating a whole look for you guys. So I'm going to go through everything that we get in the box. I'm going to give you swatches. I'm going to insert demos as to how I achieved this look right here. And I'm not gonna ramble anymore, so if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And now if you want to see what's in my February Boxycharm, then just keep watching. So the theme this month is Galaxy Glow, and everything in the box is sort of like in that kind of out of space, holographic kind of vibe. So it's really fun. First, we have the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette, which retails for $39.99. So the palette is absolutely beautiful. I used 2 shades on my cheekbones and to highlight my face, my whole entire face, and also my eyes. And I have to be honest, I have a hard time working with colorful highlighters. I never know what looks good. I never know, what's flattering on me. I like the way it looks right now. But I feel like it's just not, it doesn't fit my personality. So I feel like I'm going to use these as shadows way more than like highlighter. Next we have the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, which retails for $28. Now this is what I have all over my eye, on my eyelid. This is like this pretty color that you're seeing, and I love this. I don't see any creasing whatsoever. I didn't set this. I only applied this directly onto my eyes and blended the shadows, together. But it is absolutely beautiful. I love the shade, and it makes me want to go and see what other shades they have. If they have a golden one or like, I just really love it. I think the formula is amazing, and I love the way it's so easy to apply. Next we have the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil, which retails for $21. So this is what I use to kind of create a base for the dark that you're seeing on my outer corners. And I have to say, I wish it was a little bit more creamy. It didn't really like smudge as much as I would like to. Like it wasn't as easy to smudge this in. However, it's very pigmented, and I also use this to tight line my upper and my lower lash line. So all that you see, like the inside, it's really dark. So I like the pigmentation a lot. Next we have the Pure Decomplexion Authority XFO Lips Plumping and Lip Exfoliator, which retails for $17. So my lips were super chappy before I applied this, and I have to say it made them really soft. I don't know that it made them plumper, but I think it's very handy to have something like this that you just throw it in your bag, especially like on the winter months. You can just kind of like quickly exfoliate your lips. Very handy. And also it smells really good and tastes really good as well. Lastly, we have the Crown Pro Trio Brush Set, which retails for $29.99. So these brushes totally remind me of the Wet n Wild brushes that you can get pretty much anywhere, at the dollar store, any drugstore. Because they have like the pink little tips. They're very soft. I used 2 of them for this look, and they are really soft. And I really like them. I have a feeling they're gonna get a little dirty on their handles, but so far I really like them. So the total value of the box this month is of $135.98, and you pay $21. So overall, I'm happy with everything that we got in the box this month. I feel like I personally have a hard time working with these holographic shadows and shades and whatnot, but I try my best to like go into it with an open mind. I really like the way my eyes look. I don't know about the highlighter, if I would actually wear this. I think that for a special occasion it's kind of cool, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be using this highlighter palette as an eyeshadow palette. My favorite thing out of everything was definitely this Cover FX Shimmer Veil, because I think that formula is amazing. It's not creasing whatsoever on my eyes, and I'm so impressed. So I'm gonna go on their website and see what kind of shades they have, because I think it's so handy, especially if you're doing like sort of like a cut crease sort of look. This would just, you don't need a brush, you don't need nothing. You just go straight ahead and swipe this on your eyelids and it's perfection. So this really, really impressed me a whole lot. And I am a sucker for brushes, so I love the brushes that we got. But looking at the card, I feel like I wouldn't pay $29.99 for them. However, they feel really, really good on the skin. They feel really soft, and they look really cute. And as I always like to mention, I have an affiliate link with Boxycharm. So if you're not signed up with them and you decide to sign up with them and you decide to use my link, which I really, really appreciate that you do that. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I do them every month, and I enjoy doing them every month. So if you decide to use that link, I'll be making $5 for each person that signs up for Boxycharm and uses my link. So I just want to make it all clear. There's no secrets here. And if you don't want to use my link, you just go on their website and sign up, because Boxycharm is by far my favorite. I have tried many kind of like subscriptions, you know, makeup boxes or bags or whatever, and I feel like Boxycharm never ever disappoints. It's always high quality, high-end brands, and really, really cool stuff. So that is it for my February Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know what you guys got in your box, if you got anything different or a different shade, because I really like to know what everybody else got. And as always, if you like this video, if you found it helpful, and if you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe. P.S. I most likely won't be doing a March unboxing for Boxycharm, and I'm not sure about April as well, because I will be having a brand new baby on my arms very, very soon. So I don't want to pressure myself, to return to social media and stuff like that, or just to film and whatever. I don't know how everything is going to work out. So I just want to put it out there that I most likely won't be doing Boxycharm next month and a month after. I want to be able to enjoy, both of my kids and just take a break and take care of myself, which is very, very important. So I just want to put it out there so you guys know, and I will return as soon as I can. But I will try to have quick little videos for you guys, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because it's just what I am more active on my stories. I'm always like doing unboxings and swatches and, little routines. So if you want a quick, connect, Instagram is your best bet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.